Hi guys, TB here. I want to talk about the like feature for the Plasmic Audio Player, also here in the playlist. So when the like button is clicked, if the IP is not used, so basically the user cannot like the same track twice. You can see now I can click on it and nothing happens. So this is a JavaScript project, and the markup for it, for the playlist and for the likes and for all this, for the images here and artwork, it's added in the HTML file using this markup. So you see the data likes, it's added inside this markup. So it's not possible in HTML to actually modify the HTML file using JavaScript. So the only way to make this work is to use a database. So basically this is for developers. All this this markup must be generated from a database. It's not difficult, but this is the only way. And update this data likes. So what I want to show you in this tutorial, in this video, is how you can update this based on the event. So as you can see, I'll refresh this. And let me open something here. Where is it? Okay, here. And let's go to, sorry, to events, and there is an event, like is the last one. You see this one. So you will have to register an event using the API, and this event has an ID which represents the track ID so for example, if this is the first one, so this ID is 0. See here, ID is 0. This one, sorry, let's close this. This ID is 1, this ID is 3, and so forth. So you know when a like button is clicked, you know which track was clicked based on the ID, and with this you can update the database and change this this data likes, update it to 7. So wherever it is, you can get it from the playlist, also for the playlist item data. So basically when you click on a button, you will have this event which is registered via the API. You can see here how to register the API. This is the code in JavaScript, and actually this is exactly the like button that you see here. So when you add this code in your page, when a button is clicked, here you can get all the info using this E parameter, which stands from the event. So this is where the event is registered, and this is where the event is listened. Okay, so I refresh this. So the player automatically checks if the IP is already used, so you don't have to bother with that. So when a button is clicked, you see it's changing to 7 likes. You can get the ID from here, and in the playlist item you can get a few information like the IP address that was used for the like. You can also see here liked, it's equal to true, it's a boolean if you want to use it, and also the likes. And based on this you can update the database. There is other information like artist, source, title, type. I do not have a script to do this because in each case will be implemented differently, so it doesn't make any sense to code this, but this is how it's done. So you have all the info here. Once the item it's liked and you save this in the database, when the page is refreshed and the user tries to click this, it will not update, okay, because the IP is checked. So this is what I wanted to show you. I know it's a bit awkward, especially for users that do not know code, but there is no way to make this like feature work with plain JavaScript and HTML. So I hope this video is useful. You can see here all the events and all the methods in the API. You have an example how to register it. So I think it should be fairly simple for any PHP developer or ASP developer to make this work. So I hope this video makes sense. I hope I did not forget anything. Yeah, I think this is it for the like button. If you don't want to, if you cannot do this, if you don't want to, you still want to use the like button, you can still leave it here, but the user will not be able to, I mean, it will work, but when the page is refreshed, it will go back to the previous one. And if you want to remove, to disable the like button, you can just delete this. And oh, sorry, I'm not that where is it? Leave it there, but just let me see here. I'm still working on this. Like, okay, sorry about that. Just set show like button to no. Sorry. And when I refresh, it should be okay. See, the like button is gone, so you can remove it if you don't want to use it. I hope this is useful. I did my best to code this so that it's easy to use, but in this case it's impossible to code this better. Thank you for watching.